Ma'am, today we have
Yes, today.
ma'am. Ma'am, today we have played a game.
No. What game? What game you want to play today?
Ma'am, meaning tomorrow is yesterday is not complete the CT class. In the CT class tomorrow is not played the game. Ma'am, meaning.
Okay. But for yesterday, in yesterday's CT lecture, I told you what we are going to do in the next CT class. Were you there, Manas? Yes, were you there?
Yes, ma'am.
We will make videos, we'll collect information about first aid, about the significance of first aid, about first aid box, and about the contents of the first aid box. What all do you keep in a first aid box? Why a first aid box is important? All these things I told you that in the next CT lecture. Good morning, beta. We'll discuss about it. You can describe your first aid box and tell the whole class what all you have kept in it and which medicine is used in which case. Okay? For today, what we are going to do is we are going to have a reading session. We have not had a reading session in this class. So all of you take out your SST books and open chapter number 1.
What we will do?
We are going to read today, beta. We'll do
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Who will start to read first? Manas, shall we begin with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Manas will start reading. Chapter 1, Understanding History.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, I am take out the chapter.
Yes. Everybody take out your books.
Ma'am, take out. Can I?
Yes, what do you want?
Ma'am, I take out the chapter also in book also. Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, beta, start. Who wants to start? Manas, na? All of you, first of all, open your cameras. Everyone, open your camera. Yes. Now, Manas, you can start reading.
What is history? History is the study of past. History tells us about important events that had once happened. It tells us about many people in the past, what they did, the things they used, and the food they
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
also
beta.
learn about.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Manas, tell the page number.
M7.
Okay. Now, in this reading class, children, what we'll do is all of you have to be very attentive. Okay. And if suppose the reader makes any mistake or if he doesn't know the pronunciation of any word, I am not going to help him out. You all are going to help him or her out. Is that fine? So, all of you have to be very attentive. Okay. Where the reader is reading. Pay attention.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am, I am late. Please tell which work doing.
We are doing reading today. Take out your book and open chapter number 1. We have just started to read.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I continue?
And don't ask me, ma'am, what is written. If the child gets confused, you only have to help him out. Is that fine? Everybody?
What written?
What?
Please tell page number.
Page number 7, chapter number 1, Understanding History.
We also learn about kings and kingdoms, great wars and battles. History is also an account of events that have happened in the past. A historian is a person who
And
specializes.
children, listen, since I don't have the book, so all of you will read one paragraph and stop. Okay? You will stop yourself after reading one paragraph. Don't wait for me
Ma'am,
to
I
say stop.
ma'am, I am right. I am read this much, ma'am. This is okay, ma'am. History.
Yes, this is okay. What is history?
Okay,
After
ma'am.
one paragraph, say done. Now another student's turn.
Paragraph.
Okay, Sarthak, now you start.
Ma'am, but I have the old book.
Read it from the old book. Even I have the old book. That is why I'm not reading.
Ma'am, can I start? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from where we have to
We
start?
study
I
to
have
learn.
start.
We study to learn from the next page, page number 8. Sorry, we study history to learn.
What? We study to learn. Ma'am, from the first page of the chapter.
No, bache, second page.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is written that
Okay, no
on
problem.
this page.
Beta, I can't see what is written over there.
Ma'am, chapter 1.
Chapter number 1.
Ma'am,
Today we will do revision of chapter 1.
But yes, start reading from this page only.
Okay, ma'am.
I read.
No, beta, no, I'm telling Sarthak to read.
Animal that roamed in the earth.
No, Sarthak, not this, wait. There is a little confusion, huh? Okay, Sarthak, you start reading from the beginning. What is history? Start reading from here.
Okay, ma'am. History is the study of past. History tells us about important events of the past. It tells us about many people in his past. What they did, the things they used, and the food they ate. We also learn about the kings and kingdoms, great wars and battles. People who study history are called historians. We learn history. We learn about our past by looking to old photographs. Why do we study history? We study history to learn about the past. By understanding the past, we understand change. Things that were a certain way in the past and are different today. The different animal that roamed in earth, people ate different food, and the way people lived was different.
Okay. That's all, beta. That's all. That's all, Sarthak. Children, don't get confused. Yes, don't get confused. His book is old. Fine. Now, Stuti, start reading from where Manas stopped. You have to read from.
History.
We study history to learn.
We need to learn about the
Also,
past and history is full of
Yes, Manas.
people.
Anybody wants to ask anything?
It also makes us
ma'am, why are the questions? After the
Stuti, wait, beta. Stuti, wait. What happened, Manas?
Ma'am, I am read first paragraph and Sarthak also.
Yes, beta, I
I am
know because there is some confusion in the book. Okay, you have different books.
Stuti, I will read.
Mishti, I will tell you to read. Please don't speak in between. And now anyone who speaks in between will not get the turn. And all of you sit with your cameras on.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, we are doing reading of first chapter. All of you take out your SST books.
Page number 8.
Page number 8 and Stuti, after one paragraph, you will not read. One paragraph each, that's all. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. We study history to learn about the past and understand change. History is full of stories of different people in different times. It also makes us appreciate the rich customs and habits left behind by our ancestors. Amazing.
Okay. Next, Mishti, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Periods of history. History is vast and continuous. Historians have divided it into three parts: ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. This makes studying history easier. The ancient period starts from the time life began on the earth. During this time, humans learned to speak, write, grow their own food, and build houses. The medieval period is also known as the Middle Ages. By this time, humans had already begun living in large kingdoms. We learn about great kings and explorers who discovered many unknown. Ma'am,
Who
what
discovered
is the
many unknown parts.
who discovered many unknown parts of the world during this period. The modern period refers to the history of recent times. This period extends to the present, where many new inventions and ideas have changed the world.
Okay, that's all. You read so much. Now Pratyaksh Rathi will read the same paragraph, periods of history. Pratyaksh, we can't hear you. Children, can you hear him?
No, ma'am.
Yes, something is wrong. Beta, your voice is not coming. Looks like you're not connected to the audio. No, you are. Now speak. No, we can't hear you. Take out your earphones. Take out your earphones.
Ma'am, I also.
No, no, only Pratyaksh. Why will you
And
take them out?
headphones. Meaning you are
Yes,
saying the
earphones.
headphones.
Yeah, earphones. He is wearing earphones, not headphones. Pratyaksh has gone somewhere to check. Okay, Araf Solanki, start reading.
Ma'am, sources of history.
No, periods of history.
Okay, ma'am. History is waste for. Ma'am, now.
Yes, now you are audible. But wait, now you will read the next paragraph. Okay, Arav is reading.
Okay, ma'am. Ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. This makes studying history. Ma'am, what is this?
Easier.
Easier. The ancient period starts from time life began on the earth. During this time, humans learned to speak, write, grow their own food, and build houses. The medieval period is also known as the Middle Ages. By this time, had already begun living in large kingdoms. We learn about great kings and explorers who
Explorers.
explored many unknown parts of the world
During this period,
the modern period refers to the history of recent times. This period extends to the present,
where many new inventions and ideas have changed the world.
Okay,
Ma'am,
that's
done.
all. Good. Now, which is the ancient period? Who can tell about the ancient period?
Ma'am, that starts from the time life began on the earth.
Yes. Ancient history is the history when life on earth began. When?
The medieval period is also known as the Middle Ages.
Middle Ages. What is the medieval period? Medieval period is the period between modern period and ancient period. It is known as the Middle Ages. And what is the modern period? What is the modern period?
The modern period refers to the history of the recent times.
Yes.
Recent times.
It is the history of the recent times that has just gone by or that has just passed. Good. And the modern period, and listen, the modern period of history talks about what? It talks about new
Inventions and new adventures and events.
Very good. It talks about, it tells us about new inventions and new ideas. It has changed the world. Has it changed the world or not? New ideas? Yes, it has changed the world.
And
Yes.
ma'am, in the transport things also.
In the
Transport things also. When
yes, everything. Not only transport, about communication, about science, technology, everything has changed. Now,
And the ancient period starts from time life began on the earth.
yes, ancient period is. Yes, beta, now you will read.
Ma'am, from where? Periods of history.
No. Now, sources of history. The next paragraph.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Sources of history. History as
What,
we
Manas?
know is the
Manas, are you
Ma'am,
asking
in fact-
something?
Ma'am, in book there are a Factpedia.
Yes, there is Factpedia. Okay, what is written in Factpedia? Pratyaksh, read first.
Factpedia. The Indian history is divided into three periods: ancient India, medieval India, and modern India.
Okay. Then come to sources of history.
Sources of history. Sources of history. History, as we know, is the story of the past, but how do we come to know about it? To learn about your own past, you can look at old photographs and old things you used in the past. You can learn about your parents' past through what they and your grandparents tell you. A historian much like
A historian. Mute yourself.
A historian
A historian, much like a
for
detective.
events and much like a detective looks for events and clues and puts together to understand a series of events. Historians look at many objects used in the past to learn about the people who used them. These objects are called sources of history. Some of the sources give us a very clear picture of the past, while some only give us clues.
Okay, good. Now, Rishabh Kumar, start reading. The same paragraph, sources of history.
Okay, ma'am. The sources of history. History, as we know, is the story of past. But how do we come to know about it? To learn about your past, you can look at the old photographs and old things you used in past. You can learn about the parents' past through what they and your grandparents tell you.
Yes, then next.
This is on page number
A
9.
historian much like detective detective look for the evidence and clues and puts them together and understand a series of events. Historians look at the many objects used in the past to learn about the people who used them. These objects are called sources of history. Some of the sources give a very clear picture of the past, while some only give us clues.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Next,
I reshuffle my ma'am, I have
Yuvraj.
done.
Yes, I know, beta. Yes, Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj, beta, start reading. Types of sources.
We can broadly divide the sources of history into two types: are archaeological sources and literary sources. Ma'am, done.
Oh, just this much? Start reading the archaeological sources.
Ma'am,
Archaeological.
can I read archaeological sources?
No, beta, your turn is gone. You have already read. Let other students read. Yes, Yuvraj.
Archaeology is a study of ancient remains like monuments, buildings, coins, tools, paintings, and archaeologists works at sites to recover objects which may have been lying buried in the ground for a long time.
Okay, that's all.
Mon-
That's fine. Vikas Rathor. Vikas, Shirsh, Atharv, Sarthak, Harsh. Open your cameras, all of you.
I read monuments. Mr.
Vikas is not there. Shirsh, are you there? Harsh
Yes,
Patel, are you
ma'am.
there? Atharv Singh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Open your cameras. Start reading Harsh beta. Monuments. Harsh, you know where we are reading?
Ma'am, I read. Ma'am, I read.
Okay, read Atharv. Yes, Harsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know where we are reading beta? You know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start reading from
Reading
there.
monuments.
Start reading from there.
Monuments.
Ma'am, we revision the first chapter.
Yes, we are reading the first chapter.
Monuments, ancient
Ma'am, I
dwellings
read.
such as
Mishti,
places,
mute yourself.
palaces, forts, temples, and pillars built by humans are called monuments. They give us information about the security, sequence, and people of the past. The Taj
They
Mahal
give
is
us, okay, wait. They give us information about the society. What is it? The word is society.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, start reading.
The Taj Mahal.
What is wrong, Harsh? Why did you stop?
Ma'am, can I read?
I don't understand why he stopped.
Ma'am, should I start is visited by tourists from all over the world. The Red Fort, Sanchi Stupa, Ashoka Pillar, Jama Masjid, and the Qutub Minar are some other important monuments.
Yes. Now you missed on. Shirsh, start reading beta.
Fine.
Yes, coins.
I have to read coins.
Yes.
Yes.
Coin.
On page number 10.
Information about the past by studying on coin. One gets to know the name of the ruler and the name of the place, the metal available in that time, in that place, the date when it was issued, and the language used in that region. The study of coin is known as numismatics.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Good. Yes.
Ma'am, we should underline this line. To drink. Ma'am, I got to drink water.
Go. Atharv Singh.
can I
Yes, beta, underline this line. What, Manas?
Can I read the instruction?
No, beta. There are students left in the class who have not got their turn to read. Why will I repeat you? Atharv Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
start reading from inscriptions.
Inscriptions are important messages engraved by rulers on pillars, copper plates, rocks, clay tables, and on the walls of temples or buildings. For example, Ashoka inscription on rock and pillars describe his achievements, his message, and his religious benefits.
Religious beliefs. Good. Vikas Rathore has returned to the class, or only his name is here? Vikas Rathore is not there.
Ma'am, tell to Manas.
Vikas, you are there. Better start reading. Vikas, start reading.
Oral sources of past when this because
Very bad, Vikas, beta, very bad. You're listening to me and you're not following my instructions. Is this how you behave in class?
Ma'am, I read.
Yuvraj Singh will read again. Yuvraj Singh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading from paintings and sculptures.
Painting and sculptures form an important source of studying our past. One learns about the occupations, dresses, and lifestyle of the people at that time. The cave paintings of Bhimbetka depict the life of early humans. Artifacts.
Okay, that's all, beta, that's all. Mishti, start reading artifacts. Yes, Mishti, start reading artifacts.
Artifacts including ornaments, tools, property, or other objects made by human beings are an important source of information about the time period to which they
Belong.
belong. Fossils.
Yes,
Fossils is the remains of plant and animals usually found in rocks are also another sources of history. Archaeologists use shovels and other tools of
shovels.
excavative
Use shovels and other
fossils.
tools to excavate fossils. What is the word? It's
Okay, ma'am.
shovels. Okay, next, Shirsh. Literary sources.
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, I was.
Shirsh, you are muted, beta.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait.
Literary
Children, wait.
sources records, accounts, fiction and non-fiction writings found by historians before the invention of paper.
Who is Arshika here in this class? Arshika, beta, this is not your class.
Ma'am, there was Kamma 350 Pooja Gupta, Manisha Kashpi.
What are you saying, Rishabh?
Ma'am, there was one child is coming 350 Pooja Gupta,
Yes,
Manisha.
I'm about to say. Who is this 350 Pooja? From which class? She's gone. Okay. Yes, Shirsh.
Ma'am, she's
Invention of paper. Human wrote on palms, leaves, or the bark of birch trees, which were called manuscripts. These important records of the past tell us about the lives of the people and their kings, their laws and religious beliefs and practices. Literature of the past were of two kinds, religious and non-religious. Religious literary source contains stories about gods and goddesses and prayer songs. Some religious sources are the Vedas and Puranas and great epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. The non-religious texts talk about the society, culture, people and ruler of the time. This could be an autography by the ruler himself or a biography written by another person on the life story of the ruler. Our Arthashastra is an example of non-religious literature.
Okay, that's all. That's all. Pratyaksh, continue.
Ma'am, I have posted 2 chances. Ma'am, I have only one.
Beta, now I am repeating students. You will get. Okay, why have 4th A students joined in so soon? Beta, your class will begin at 9:45. Aman, Mubashira. Leave this class, join at 9:45, beta.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have to read from literary sources.
No, you have to read from accounts by foreigners.
Accounts by foreigners such as Hewing Singh, Fahin, and Mangesh left very interesting descriptions of their experiences in India. These accounts tell us not only about the rulers but also about the lifestyle of the common people.
Okay, that's all.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
which chapter we are reading?
Mubashira, this is class 4B. Leave this meeting and join the link at 9:45. This is still the previous class going
Okay,
on.
ma'am.
Ma'am, because the time is not over of this class.
Okay, Manas, start reading, beta.
Prevalent sources of history. It is very important to take care of.
Ma'am, we go to washroom.
Go.
Monuments and remains by looking after them.
Of historical importance are preserved in museums and are well protected. Historians and archaeologists work very hard to find about the past. They both work hand in hand to help us learn about the past. Archaeologists excavate this by digging for buried remains, and historians examine these remains and write books about what they have learned.
Okay, that's all. Now whose turn? Stuti. About what they have learned. That's all about this chapter.
Ma'am,
Stuti, you are going to read in a nutshell.
Chapter is finished.
Yes, you are going to read in a nutshell.
Okay, ma'am. In a nutshell, history is the study of past. We can divide it into ancient, medieval, and modern period based on time. The two main sources of history are archaeological and history source. Monuments, buildings, coins, tools, and paintings are archaeological sources. Inscriptions are texts engraved by rulers on pillars, walls, tables, and copper plates. Religion, what is it here? Mystery,
What is written? Beta, tell her what is written.
mysteries are in life stories of kings and accounts written by then please tell me what is written.
Beta, why are you not telling her what is written? I told you the class is going to tell. Yes, tell, speak it.
Please tell.
In a nutshell, history is the study of the past. We can divide history into ancient,
Mishti?
medieval, and modern
Mishti?
periods based on time.
God, Mishti. Did I tell you to read? Just tell her the word that she is not being able to read. Don't read out the whole thing.
Ma'am, on where?
Now you don't know where she got stuck. Stuti, which word you wanted to know?
Ma'am, religion literally life stories of kings and accounts written by ma'am. What is written over here?
Accounts written by.
Well,
Huh?
and travelers
Travelers. Okay, travelers.
are useful. Every source of history, we should take care of preserving our historical source and state.
Okay. So I think children, we should end the class here. We are done with the reading of this chapter. Yes?
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye. See you all.
The time is 9:45.
Yes, now it's 9:45 and you may go and join your next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.